Hello everybody. So today I will talk about trigonometry. So now I will show you how to answer. Determine the secant of 42 degrees 14 minutes 53 seconds rounded to 5 decimal places. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that we need to convert about the minutes and second into about degrees in here. So they should be like this. So 1 degree equals to 60 minutes and 1 degree equals to 3600 seconds. Now, after we put this one, we can use about the calculator, and this one you got 1.35,091, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.